Is it frosted? No, it's good. Yeah, outside the Rui here. R-U-I, Rui? U-R-I-U? Whatever, man. Let me see if I can sneak you guys in with a camera to take a look at this resort out here. Beautiful from the outside. If I recall correctly, the last time I was here, there was an awesome beach in the back. So let's go take a walk out there and see what's going on. So this is basically the view here. Once you walk out from the lobby, it's a massive pool out here straight into the so I am not a guest here, that's so clear. I am trespassing at the moment. Let me really know that. They're getting free publicity from it. Rio, all they can send me an email and say thank you and send me a free code trip for giving all this exposure to an international audience. The Sundeck area is pretty packed, man. I'm gonna have some fun. I can drink that. You'll be back before I'm. Going down oceanfront now.
Like the security guy looks at us.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. How come nobody's selling wristbands, man? This isn't the real Caribbean, man.
Oh, let's go over there, man. Let's go over there.
This guy keeps cussing in my videos, man. This is PG, brother. What's wrong with him? Yeah, it's hot out there. It's probably about 34 degrees Celsius. The sand is hot. I'm wearing sneakers though, so I ain't trying to burn up my foot.
I love you, bitch. That's what you said. You have to say that on my Snapchat,
I think they're setting it up. They also have to clean everything, right? I thought they have to add more food on it and stuff.
amazing how large these cruise ships are. And this is a small one compared to some I've been on and some I've seen. But they float tons and tons of people, boy. Just in the downtown area now. Just walking out about. Interesting for the most part. A lot of cars here, man. A lot of tourists, a lot of cars. But then again, yesterday on a Sunday it was pretty dead here. So I guess during the week it can be a bit busy. There's a cruise ship in port as well too. Finally made it to Baby Beach, south end of the island. Yeah, south end of the island. There isn't much out here, but it's late afternoon, probably about, good lord, my boy probably found sea grapes there. Look at that, he's right at the tree of the sea grapes. But late afternoon, 5:30. Let's take a look and see what's going on here. What I was told in regards to Baby Beach, the reason why it's called Baby Beach is, if you guys take a look here, you can see how calm it is. The sun is starting to set, but it's so calm here that we were told that it's called Baby Beach because even a baby can swim here. You can see there's a little chap in the water right now. Small man doing snorkeling there. I'm not sure what he's seeing. I guess we got a lot of people with a lot of time on their hands. They make all these rock formations out here. I guess it's a good way to put the rocks to use, but yeah guys, so I got the curry goat with potato and everything there. We got some pepper sauce, some chana. We got roti over here. Over here we've got curry chicken with potato. With the bones, you gotta go with the bones, man.
No, of course.
Of course, the pepper sauce is there. Celebrating the birthday, right?
Yeah.
Look.
Oh. Yeah.
Yo, that's the owner right here, man.
Sweet.
Pretty open space, nice and breezy. The food was pretty decent, man. And the reason why we stopped off here, well, first we saw the Jamaican flag here, because we were searching for some. Oh, we got a Grenada flag over there. So it isn't always nice. Canada, of course. And then I saw the red, white, and black. So we stopped in to grab something to eat. Let me see if I can see the front of the building now. Over there, that's where we came from. That is Baby Beach. Baby Beach is over there. But this is Kamini's restaurant. It's not bad, man. It's definitely not bad. Probably one of the better meals I've had so far. Been here for about 14 hours now, so. A little bit of deep sea fishing over here. These guys just came in with some fresh catch. Damn, this is barracuda. Look at those teeth, man. But they're small. That one is a small one, though, right? How big do they get?
They get pretty big. They can go up
3-4 feet?
Yeah.
Damn, and this is a wahoo here, right? What do you guys do with these? Grill them?
Yeah, you can grill it, deep fry it.
Damn. What's this here, man? You just filleting them?
That's the stomachs.
What do you do with it?
To make stew.
Seriously?
Yeah, man. Good stuff, man.
I've been all
Powerful
over this
stuff.
island the past couple of days and I can't get local food, man.
That's gonna be like
That's local food.
Yeah? So how do you stew it? With what?
potatoes,
Yeah?
vegetables.
But it doesn't cook for long though, right?
No.
No.
Damn.
Let it stew down with some sauce with it.
Yeah.
Ready to go.
See how he's picking that, eh?
Yeah. These crabs are just feasting on the skin. There's another one down there. Of the fish, which was just filleted over here. Yeah, so this morning we're at the Renaissance in downtown Aruba. This is just the pool area. We came looking for permission to go video and do stuff with the flamingos. So we'll see how that works out tomorrow. It's a nice property actually. Those people watch me all weird there. Never seen a camera before or something. Oh, look at the little lagoon, man. That there is the royal, what's it, royal? No, that's not Caribbean, it's Princess,
I think
Crown
it's-
Princess.
I think that's it.
Yeah, I've been on that ship before. So this is the sort of, it looks like a man-made lagoon I was talking about earlier there. The water is a bit more choppy on this side of the island here, but it's interesting.